Today's my topic is challenges of brand building in business to business marketing. Before going to the topic, we can see the meaning of brand. Brand is an identifying symbol, mark, logo, name, word, sentence that companies use to distinguish their product from others. A combination of one or more of those elements can be utilized to create a brand identity. It means identifying the symbol for the product. Example, Adidas, Puma, etc. Next, we move on to the meaning of brand building. Brand building is the process of generating awareness and promotion of the services of a company through direct advertising companies or through sponsorship. And also, brand building strategies bring consumers closer to the brand and provide value them so that they can know, feel, and experience the brand. This is the meaning of brand building. Next, we move on to the definition for the brand building. For brand building, there is no proper definition, but according to many marketers, it is the communication and creation of customer value. It includes all those ingredients that customer feel and experience when interacting with your business. In other words, it has a positive impact on brand equity using different promotional strategies and campaigns. In business to business marketing, there are some benefits. Those are B2B businesses can benefit greatly from a strong brand. A strong B2B brand, it ensures your brand stands out and cuts through in its category. It gives customers reason to choose your brand over competitors. It means it ensures the customers a reason to choose your brand over competitors. Next one was create customers with a predisposition towards your brand and an increased willingness to try it. It means create customers predispositions towards the brand. Next one was shortens the sales cycle. It means it reduces the sales cycle in the business. Fourth one was it enables your brand to charge and sustain a price premium. Next one was it enables your brand to build trust with its key stakeholders, customers, employees, shareholders, distributors, partners, intermediaries, etc. Sixth one was lower sensitive to price increases. Seventh one was attracts and retains the best employee talent. Next, we move on to the main topic, that is challenges of brand building in business to business marketing. First one was deciding when to launch. This is the first challenge for the brand building in business to business marketing. Building a B2B brand takes time, but there comes a point where you must identify when to launch your brand. It's important to have the fundamentals in place, but sometimes there is a need to launch with piece missing. Identifying what you can and can't live without in the early stages is critical. If you wait for every blade of grass to fall into place, you may never get your brand off the ground. If you have only got the bare basics in place, you may want to evaluate any lead generation efforts. While it may seem necessary to rely budget constraints, diving into lead generations prematurely has the potential to alienate your prospects and undermine your brand. Next one was overcoming a lack of brand legacy. This is the second challenge in the business to business marketing. As a new brand in the market, you all lack of the legacy of your competitors by default. This can serve as a significant disadvantage when revealing other companies for business. However, the people behind your brand can make all the difference. Just because your company has not been there and done it before does not mean your people have not. Putting your people front and center can help to overcome the potentially negative perception of being a newcomer in the market. People can give your venture the much needed credibility it needs to get off the ground. Of course, this approach has its downsides. Relying upon individuals to lend credibility to your brand can be risky and can use you to become reliant upon those key personnel. You do not want to be in a position where your brand cannot stand alone. Third one was identifying your brand personality. Identifying your brand personality, it means as you are starting from nothing, your brand is a blank slate. You need to identify how you want to position your brand as soon as possible and understand the language you intend to use to communicate to your audience. There is no wrong or right answer to this question, but there is an answer and you need to find it sooner rather than later. Progressing without a clear appreciation of who you are will severely hinder your business efforts and confuse your audience. Find and identify and stick with it. Next one was recognizing your competitors. Recognizing your competitors, it means in the beginning it can be hard to pinpoint just who exactly your target audience are. In some cases this can make identifying competitors a little tricky. Without knowing where you stand in the market, understanding who you are up against is almost impossible. As you open for business, the audience you start to build will influence who you are competing against. With this information, you will be able to get a better understanding of the operational landscape and how your competitors are servicing the prospects you are looking to capture. Next point was developing an internal management culture. This is the fifth challenge for the brand building in business to business marketing. It means the management culture of your business will come to influence many factors around your brand. Everything from your productivity to your creativity will be impacted by the way in which your culture develops. Determining what level of internal freedom your brand can allow without sacrificing its ability to deliver its key propositions is essential. This line will fundamentally impact your success, the type of clients you work with, and ultimately the work you produce. Next one was technology integration. Technology integration is also a challenge of brand building. Technology integration means technology can be a blessing and a curse for many of our clients. Too often, marketers see the potential and existing things technology do but can't seem to integrate it into their company. If websites, social media, online media are not connected, then how can communications be integrated? In many business to business companies, none of these systems are linked. Business to consumers companies make it look so easy, retargeting you on every online channel you visit until they get you to buy that sweater you looked at on their website last week. Next one was managing leadership expectations. Managing leadership expectations means senior management often does not see how these new digital marketing tools can help close the sales loop in business to business. As a matter of fact, many business to business companies believe their current marketing activities are meeting the needs of sales. This leads many marketers to wonder where is the best place to invest their marketing dollars. Next challenges are like marketing and sales alignment, getting in front of the right people at the right time, and last one is globalization of content and marketing. These are the challenges of brand building in business to business marketing. Thank you.